Today we're going to be taking a look at part number ALL647596. This is the power-built adjustable tire step. It's going to be ideal for SUVs, RVs, and trucks, and it's going to feature a 300-pound weight capacity. Very strong and durable construction. It's constructed of sturdy steel, and one of the key things that we see when we fold this out is that the actual surface of the step, this is going to provide a nice non-slip, very rigid surface. Also, you can see it's got a lot of holes in there, so if you have mud on your shoes or if you're using this when it's wet outside or whatever, the step's not going to hold on to that. So again, it's going to provide for a nice sturdy surface. You don't have to worry about water building up or mud or anything like that. It's going to allow it to drain all the way through. And then it's got the nice ridges on here. So sturdy platform. That's going to measure 21.5 inches long, and it's going to give us a depth of about 7 inches. This is designed to fit any diameter tire up to 13 inches wide. It can adjust here at the top by pulling out the pin and the clip, and then this arm is actually going to extend out. So it is very versatile when it comes to the width of tire that it will fit. Now this is going to provide your sturdy platform so that you can step up to reach your roof-mounted cargo carrier. You can load the things onto your roof. You can use this to gain access to the top of your vehicle if you need to wash it. Put it on your front tire, and it's going to allow you to gain access to work underneath your hood. It's got a lot of different applications that it can be used for. Again, it is designed for SUVs, motorhomes, and trucks. The step will also adjust in height, so that way you can bump it all the way up to this point right here for little lift, or you can adjust it for a lot of lift depending on your application. This can be mounted on any tire very quickly and easily. This arm is going to hook around the tire, and then again it will adjust for a tight fit. Another neat feature that I want to point out is that here on the back side, we're going to have these rubber boots. This is going to be the side that's going to make contact with our wheel, and they include these rubber boots on here. Those will adjust in and out. They're just in a threaded portion right there. It's kind of like a bolt. So it's got the rubber bumpers. That way it'll protect the surface of the wheel if the step does make contact with the surface of the wheel. Another neat feature is that it's going to fold flat for easy, convenient storage. It's not going to take up much room. We'll go ahead and go over the overall dimensions with it in a stowed position. Taking a look at the overall width from outer edge to outer edge, it's going to give us about 22 inches. And if we take a look at the overall depth with it in the folded position, that's going to give us about 15.5 inches. Overall height, here at the tallest point with it in the folded position, we're just looking at about 4 5/8 of an inch. So for what it is, it does offer nice convenient storage. I do want to go ahead and show you the adjustments, how to make those. So in order to make it fit a wider tire, we would just need to pull the pin and clip right here on each side. So we can do that, and that's going to allow this arm that goes around the tire to adjust out. So again, this will fit any diameter tire up to 13 inches wide. So once you have your setting, simply just line up the holes, and then you can place back in your pins. And then we'll be able to secure it by installing our clips. So that's going to be the tire width adjustment. And then if you want to adjust the height of the step, it's going to have the same style pins and clips here at the back. So we can pull those out. And that would allow us to adjust the height of our step on our tire. That's going to do it for today's review of part number ALL647596. This is the power-built adjustable tire step.